Hey guys. Ooh. Focus on me, please. It's Kenzie. Obviously, here's the fit. I'm aware it is December 5th, y'all. I'm aware. I'm highly aware, y'all. I wish this would focus on me. There we go. Anyways, y'all, I'm aware it is December 5th before y'all come after me. I'm doing a drive with me for Vlogmas, even though I haven't posted anything about Vlogmas in the last 5 days. I'm so sorry, y'all. I legitimately am so sorry about that. But don't worry, guys. We're gonna... Oh! Better, I think. Me and Phoenix are gonna do a drive with me. I'm about to go get her, so yeah. I'll see y'all guys here in a second. Okay, guys.
I'm not good.
We at Target. Oh, she like low-key judging. I don't really give a fuck though.
She's like, I'm just a girl.
Me when Target tells me I can't bring my camera in.
When
Bitch
Target tells me I can't dig into employee toilets.
Bitch
Out of pure curiosity.
Hey girl, you won't be on YouTube. Cause you're gonna be. You're gonna be on YouTube now.
You can't film in here. You can't film in here.
Okay, guys.
Actually, I do. I have a permit. What's your permit? My life.
Okay, guys, we're gonna wait until we get into Target before we start filming so I can hide my camera behind my back so people can't bitch and cry. Because we know how people in Fayetteville love to bitch and cry.
Yay! Fuck Fayetteville, I hate it.
Okay, guys, Phoenix found this cute shirt.
I would wear this to the whole sport.
I think we were zoomed in the whole time.
I would totally do it. See cute, see cute. This one,
When Target.
secretary who sleeps with the English teacher's husband.
The Kenzie Johnson live in 4K at Target.
Get it?
The influencer Kenzie Johnson.
Johnson?
The Kenzie Johnson
Get it
from
from the lake
TikTok. The Kenzie Johnson from TikTok. Oh, that's kind of cute.
Oh, that is cute. I like that.
What does YouTube think?
YouTube. Is it gas?
Is it cute? Is it good? Wait, how much?
Is it cute? Is it gas?
Wait, how much is it? $35.
Oh, you want to go to that
that's
thrift store that's like $1.50 for everything?
See, we can.
Yay!
More Vlogmas content. We know.
$1.50.
We know how you hoes love Target.
You know what we should do? We should like do that thing on TikTok. You know how like last year they had this thing where like they go and they pick and they tell you to stop.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Then you wear it. It's the stupidest shit ever.
The most hideous shit you ever seen in your life.
Yeah. Guy, look at this one.
Y'all.
Is this a skirt? I think it's a mini dress.
Okay, YouTube.
What is this though?
That's my okay, YouTube.
Is this for a night out or what?
Thumbnail.
Ooh, we gotta pair it with the.
Sorry. Ooh.
You know what this gives me? Roller rink!
Those are great. Oh my god.
It reminds me of like the roller rink, you know, like the.
Yeah, those are good. You should get those.
Yes. I'm gonna just come into the house when Josh is here.
There's some green sparkly ones over there that are even better. Wait, which side? I just saw some green sparkly ones.
I think they're right behind you, actually.
There.
Oh, those are actually cute.
Oh, wait. Oh, I was thinking like, for a second I was thinking like a lime. That is so
That is cute.
You know what?
You guys are reminding me of my disco days in the 70s.
Oh wait.
You should be the disco girl.
This is cute. Hang on,
No, I can do
hang
it.
on, guys. We're gonna show you. We're gonna show you. Oh, it's giving Taylor Swift. It really, it's cute though.
No, Miley Cyrus.
But it's cute though. It's giving.
What was that?
New Year's Eve. Phoenix is gonna model for y'all.
That's what that shirt's used for.
Real.
Who needs a t-shirt for doing? You get the whole shirt for free.
Real.
That is really cute. That is
Cute. Oh wait, here's what it looks like on the mannequin. Okay, she's cute.
Ooh, I'm cute. I love it. Yum, yum, yum.
Pardon,
No, I'm
my French.
girl.
Pardon my French. When we get her boss up.
Ooh.
If it was the
Okay.
pants, I think it'd be cute.
That is true.
Wait.
Wait, what is it? Where? What is a pair of this? That's my question.
I'm guessing maybe the sweater. I think the sweater. Ooh, that's cute.
I feel like it was like a different shirt.
Or maybe I don't. Well, if it didn't have Mary,
Like something that's. Yeah.
if it didn't have Mary and Bride
Uh,
on it.
Honestly, that would actually really go good together. The white on the other hand.
Yeah, but if it didn't say Mary and Bright.
If I were to wear this and this, it would make me look like these toilet paper. That's a cute coat though.
It
That's like
is.
badass.
Who you running in your blood? It's the big coat, folks. The big coat.
This is like the type of stuff you would wear whenever there's a tornado and tell like Charlie to get inside and quit shitting. This is cute.
Oh yeah, it is. Y'all wanna view it? Oh,
That's
cute.
I wonder if there's no. Oh, that'd be so cute. It would be better if there was a back to it.
She's 35, y'all.
Ooh.
Go to your local Target now. I said now.
I'm feeling fresh as fuck wearing some fish grease.
Oh.
I'll
When
wear
you-
this just to match my curtains.
I'm so glad people don't stare at me for recording in here. I guess people do it so much they just don't give a fuck up here no more. If I was at home, the bitches wouldn't get it. The bitches would not understand.
That's cute.
Now these is cute. Oh, the cheetah little. Oh, those are cute.
Wait, I love this. This is cute.
Oh, the little bows. Oh, those are cute. Oh, they got the little pearls.
See, Target has heat. I don't understand why people. That's not. Actually,
Thank you, people in Northwest Arkansas, for not judging me for talking to myself in a camera.
in public.
You look good. Thank you, people of Northwest Arkansas, for normalizing this. Cause it never gave. Do I give a fuck? Oh, that's cute. Is it a romper? Wait, is it a
I think
romper?
it's just a top.
Wait, no, it is a romper.
You know the black fishnet top that you have?
Yeah, yeah.
If you were to get something like this to pair under it, like during the spring,
Oh, this is cute. Me knowing I don't wear lingerie. What am I looking at this shit for? I don't even wear that shit. Come lift this shirt I had since 5th grade.
listen, I'm trying to give you some ideas what we can do for Monday night movie night. like that. We go with that. And we can become that.
Oh, these are cute.
I like
The little cards.
This is giving the man who you think is straight but is actually gay.
Talk for sleep. Comment down below if you think Talk for Sleep is gay. I think yes.
So, like that one. And where else? Like that one, like the Lego. The Lego.
She guys cute.
I can even tell
The Lego.
the way she moves her bricks.
The Lego is cute.
Why is my Lego man pregnant? There's gotta be.
No, because this is literally the camera I have at home right now.
Wait, it's the new one?
Yeah. But this isn't the one that I have. Mine's a Sony.
Oh, okay. So it's smaller?
Yeah, but
That's
it's
sweet.
better quality.
Wait, so is that gonna be for vlogs or photography?
Both. I'm still gonna use both cameras for pictures, but real. What a 20 bucks.
I'm sorry, I had to move fast. Wanna get the order one? Yes.
Should we go to Best Buy after this so we can play like some geeks?
I think we should let the viewers vote.
Honestly, that's not bad for $200.
$20?
Well,
I thought it.
if y'all got a Target, go buy you a 50-inch TV for $200. Go get you a TV. I thought you sold your iPad.
I did. I had the Gen 9.
He uses my iPad. I literally had to force myself to use my MacBook. I was like, I spent $300 on that MacBook. I'm gonna use it. So I started playing games on it that I used to play. You want that? Oh,
I do not want to string things. I do not want to string things in a costume because I cannot comprehend.
I thought that said blonde at first. I was like, Frank Ocean?
Frank Ocean? I have. I really have. But have you been looking for part of this? I know you've been talking about it a lot.
Good job. I know you've been looking for it. That's nice too.
Only thing I like seeing a picture and making me think, oh, that's running around me.
I know you've been looking for Tame Impala too. And
I know you've been wanting to listen to Heidi Editor.
it's SZA. SOS.
You're a danger?
I don't like her though.
I gotta go first.
Oh, yeah.
This is fucking crap too.
Who needs to get fired?
I was like, that's real, girl.
Who needs to get fired on the spot right now? Yeah, someone needs to get fired.
I know you've been looking for Elf.
Are you even looking for the Muppets?
No, bro, because I found Shrek on vinyl. I know you've been looking. Oh, wait. What the fuck is that? Wait. I thought this was Mariah the Scientist at first. All I saw was pink.